What's up, boys? John Funded. About another back testing video. Let's jump right in. We are break even on the month so far. Honestly, what are we? What is it? May? That was in June. I think I'm a dingus. Whatever. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame here. We are in. It's May 4th, 5th, 10 a.m. news. This is the what? Basically first full week of May. I'm gonna be back testing for you guys. Looks like price is selling off currently. We do have session lows, also session highs. Nasdaq. See here in the 4-hour, seem pretty bearish to me. Hourly structure, yes, bearish. See if ES can also help. Fucking on my nose. Let's see here, boys. Let's see here. Session. Yoink. Alright. Honestly, I think price isn't really moving that much right now. Yeah, during pre-market was shit. But higher time frame is bearish in our defense, so we want to see if prices continue lower or reverse and start an uptrend. So we are in, we're in 5-minute bullish structure. We're dipping outside this gap. Same thing here, 5-minute bullish structure. So let's be a little more patient here. That was a deep retrace now. Should we go long here? We just inverted this gap. We have another gap there though, so it's kind of choppy. Okay. See if price continue higher. Give us a little 5-minute retrace for us, please. There's our little retrace. You want to see if price wants to break back to the upside to continue higher. We just took out this session high. We just retraced. We do have potential to continue higher. Are these equal highs? No, I don't believe they are. Okay, there's the break. ES did not break yet. I'm being a little more patient. There's the break for ES. We could low-key hammer longs here, boys. Hold on. One, a little wider stops. No, I actually could put stops there. Do get our 5-minute retrace, higher time frame. We are bullish versus gap. Seem pretty bullish to me now. We have a good draw to the upside. We do, 10 a.m. news already came out. Let's see. Both indexes are aligned. Manipulate a strong draw towards our draw. 1-minute confluences. I want price to continue higher here. Let's bring out the checklist, boys. Bring out the checklist. Clear higher time frame bias, if not, our 5 minutes aligned. Yes, 5 minutes are aligned. Price is definitely bullish. Liquidity sweep on higher time frame, low time frame, or fair value gap fill slash manipulation towards strong draw. We did get the manipulation towards the strong draw. 5-minute retrace, yes. Chop work, no. We see in a clear direction. We were choppy at the very beginning. We broke out, retrace, continue higher, inversus gap, and we broke to the upside. Yeah, I'm taking this long here. I want price to continue higher. Okay, great. Alright, let's see what I did wrong here, boys. What, I don't know. What could I have done to do differently? Like, this is not chop work. We're showing a true direction to the upside. I guess we just took out session high, this 30-minute, or this hourly high. But we did have Asia high to the upside. Strong draw on liquidity. Good RR, not that much of a big of a move. Why did we just like shit the bed? bro. Why did we shit the bed? Why did price not want to continue higher? I guess just took out London highs and this hourly high. We did get a 5-minute retrace though. Guess overextended on the higher time frame. Yeah. Overextended. Followed our checklist. Can't complain. ATF was overly bullish. And price did take out hourly and session high, but we did have another strong draw of liquidity to target. So I wanted price continue higher due to the overextension. Price did retrace, manipulated us, and then so what to do differently there? Price on the higher time frame, on the 30-minute, we were really low-key overextended, I think, in both indexes. But I feel like you take this every time. No, we just retraced. Didn't even see a daylight of profit, dog. What the fuck? I mean, yeah, price is completely bumped bullish, I guess. Not really any, like... Alright, well... May 6. Holy sell-off here, boys. What are we targeting at the downside today? No 1 hour. Do a daily? No daily. We don't have anything to the downside. For NASDAQ at least. So we're... I don't know what we're going to do here, boys. Oh, today, live market. Woke up, realized I'm down $220 in 2 trading days, like a real $220. So I realized I'm taking a break, and I didn't trade today. But don't worry, tomorrow we're back at it with another live market video. All right, price is absolutely dumping right now. It draws the downside negative. We don't have shit. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading this today. Okay, 5-minute break to the upside. Why is my phone blowing up, bro? Okay, 5-minute break to the upside. Give us a little 5-minute retrace. There's our retrace. That's not a retrace. Okay. I don't know what to do here. Price is just dumping. We have no draws to the downside. It looks like shit. We're going to stay patient because we want to see price continue higher. Okay, there's a nice inverse. Give us a retrace now. We want to see a retrace. Okay, right now, retrace. No, retrace. Okay, no retrace, no trades. Now you want to retrace, of course. What did I mark? It's not even a session high. Shit. Hold on. There we go. Got our retrace. Guess kind of. This is straight chop work on ES. ES is shit. We could low-key bang out along here though. Stops below these lows. We do have the session high. This low-key is chop work though. Yeah, but we're clearly bullish here, if I'm gonna be honest. Okay. There's the manipulation. Nah, ES is so choppy. And it's 11:13. What am I doing? Alright, let's see this shit. Let's continue higher. Yeah, okay. No trades. Alright. Tuesday, FOMC day. Usually, like we said in the past, FOMC days are terrible trading days. But the last time we skipped an FOMC trading day, it was an absolute, literally 5-minute break, 5-minute retrace. Both indexes align, higher time frame bullish. Both indexes break on the 1 minute, and it was literally an A+ setup right to a session high. Okay. Session low, session low. Okay, we're inside this huge imbalance, the downside here. Let's see what price wants to do. Clearly, higher time frame is bearish. Okay, there's the. We did break to the upside on the retrace, so I'm not gonna go short here. So we just created an SMT. What do we have to the upside of target? There's an inverse on that gap to the upside. 30-minute high. Could low-key fuck. Nah. I'm gonna wait for a manipulation of this 30-minute high. Beautiful. Come down a little lower for us. There's the break. I guess that's the break to the upside. 5-minute retrace. We did get a retrace. We could low-key hammer longs here. Up to where? Session high. Alright, let's break this down. We're inside this hourly gap to the upside. So 5 minutes align. We did get a 5-minute retrace. Reject outside that gap. Break to the upside. We do or have a bearish SMT at this 30-minute high. Does price give a fuck about this SMT? Do we go long here? I low-key like this long setup. 5 minutes align. We're bullish. We have an SMT. It low-key did get completed because we did take out these highs. But retrace. If price really wants to be bullish, we should continue higher here. I'm going long. What can I say except fuck you? What is this, bro? Like, what is this? We're Trading inside an hourly gap. I gotta stop gambling gaps. Oh, I know exactly what I did wrong. Higher time frame bearish. Gambling in hourly gap against higher time frame. I've lost 2 times live market because of that. And of course, I don't learn this time, bro. What am I doing? Whatever. That's why we back test. Low key. Look for a transfer short. No, okay. I love when price just dumps for us, you know? We're getting shredded. Yoink, yoink. Also, FOMC. Why did I trade? I'm dead ass gonna take off FOMC trading days. I don't think I've won an FOMC trading day. Oops. Like, bro. My butt itches. Hold on, boys. No diddy. But like that stuff. I don't think I won a fucking FOMC trading day. And if I have, I probably won 1, lost 100, so. Alright. Higher time frame. We did sell off. We're in 30-minute bearish structure, inverse these gaps, but we have all these imbalances to the downside. 4 hour. Excuse me. 4 hour. Look a little bullish here. We have a little bit of an S&T. No, we don't. Later day, we do have some 830 lows, 830 new low. Alright, market open. Let's get something. Let's get something for us, alright? Higher time frame is pretty bearish to me, but let's see what price wants to do. There's the manipulation. Now to the downside. What can we target? 4 hour imbalance. Only for the NASDAQ though. ES don't got that shit. Like, this is just something I don't like trading, bro. These draws are in fucking la la land. Hold on, what is this RR? It's this 4 hour imbalance. Stops the body. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck you. Like, what is this, dude? This is terrible. Hold on. Strong sell-off here. Hold on. Back it up. Back it up. Retrace outside that gap. What is closer, ES or NASDAQ? Personally, I am not slamming a fucking short from here. That's ridiculous, so. Okay, reject outside that gap. Alright, bro. Like, this fucking market is terrible. Like, it's just taking my bread and leaving, dude. Now, what is this bullshit? May 9th, bro. You already look like shit. Bam, bam, bada boom, bop. bada bop, boom, pow. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, higher time frame. We see obviously bullish to this 4-hour high, and then we have those highs up there. Could be beneficial for us. If I'm gonna be honest. So, okay, beautiful. Higher time frame. We're bullish. We're bullish. Checked outside this gap. We want to see price continue higher this morning. 9:30 market open, huh? We want to see price. Don't create an SMT now. Okay. So we could low-key hammer shorts here, but the higher time frame is bullish. We did manipulate something downside. Create an SMT. We could low-key absolutely hammer shorts here. I think that's exactly what we're gonna do in ES. Stops. 1 minute highs. Nah, it's low-key huge RR. We low-key are inside this 5-minute gap. If we invert this 5-minute gap, we're gonna hammer shorts. That's what I thought. Exactly what I thought. Exactly what I thought. Okay, now we're just flipping our biases, bro. Oh, what is this? Is this a big ass trade? 1 to 3. Absolute rocket. If we invert this gap, we're gonna. Okay, of course we respect it, bro. Okay, now we invert the gap. Project outside this gap. Close below. High key. Send this bitch along. We do have an SMT. Alright, bro. This market structure is terrible, in my opinion. Alright, let's check my boy's month. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna check my boy's month and see what his shit's different. So, let's see here. What did I just click? Journal. Ooh, let's see here. Alright, he did, his May was... Okay. So, he lost, he didn't trade this day. He won this day. He won this day. So, that's all he did. So, the days I lost are the days he won, which is very interesting to me. The days I lost are the days he won. Was there an entry to go long before here? Could have been an after this inverse to the upside. Most likely was. Probably targeted something. And then he got stopped. Oh, definitely was. The entry was definitely here. Yeah, reject outside this gap. Close above this. Could have been after this break to the upside. First TP. And then got stopped at a break even. So I took a late entry there. Here, he won this day. Same thing here, probably. But this just looks like a chop show. Don't really know what he took, so good for him that he won. So I think what I need to do is I need to start entering earlier. I need to find trades earlier. I think what's messing with my head is because I'm like, I need to wait for a manipulation of something before I take out that something, if that makes sense. So I low-key cook myself. Like, clear higher time frame bias. If not, 5 minutes line, that's chilling. Liquidity sweep on higher time frame or low time frame. I'm skipping the low time frame sweeps or a fair value gap / manipulation towards a strong draw. That's what I'm forgetting. Liquidity sweep on the higher time frame. It could be like a 4-hour sleep, 1-hour sleep. That's what I've been messing up. All right, boys. When I come back to this next video tomorrow, we're banging out. I understand what I'm doing wrong. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.